Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. I have entry number 51. This is coming from Rageous. So let's just get into it. Let me see. I'm trying not to show the addresses, guys. So bear with me. Oh my goodness. Oops. Look at all the crinkles. Oh my goodness, yes. All right, let's see. Here's a card. It says, "You've been booed. Happy birthday, Ilene. Enjoy, love, XO, Maria, aka Pretty Crafty." Oh, Maria. P.S. Hope you like what I crafted for you. Oh my goodness, Maria. This was, so she and I had swapped last year through let me think, Nina's Crafty Mom, Marla, and we also swapped for Christmas. Was it Marla? No, it might have been Leanna. But here's her memory decks. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna save that one for last. So look at her gorgeous entry. So beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so let's see what she gifted us. I'm gonna keep that right there. Let's see what this is. It says, "Happy Fall, Ilene. XO." Oh no. From Maria, aka Pretty Crafty. Yes, sweetie. I do remember you. Let me see if I can get this out. This is cute. This looks like that Halloween paper. Is it beautiful? Don't quote me, guys. I'm never right. Oh, this is so cute. You see that? It just opens like this, like a little 4 little petals. And then she's got some candy. Yes. And I think that's just the bottom. And then she's got some goodies here also. Oh, it's a sequin mix. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love that. Love, love, love that. And she shared some bling with me. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so bling, bling, blingy. I like it. Perfect for Halloween. Can't wait to play with that. And she also shared some fall chipboards. I think this is from Target. I'm guessing. It's got some raccoons, some fall leaves, an owl, a fox, a tree trunk, or you could look at it the other way and it can also be a crown. Another raccoon, and this one has a little bird with a snail and a tree trunk. It's another raccoon, different style, a mushroom. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she also gifted me a little notebook. This is adorable. This looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Isn't that cute? She got the witch legs and then the little potion, little batty bat. She used some bling on the corners to hold it down, or just to put in the corners, basically. A cute little witch, and these the little pumpkin. Oh, this is so cute. It's a sticky notepad with the pen, guys. This is cute. What a great idea. Maria, is this the Dollar Tree notepad? Let me know. Because, oh my gosh, I love this idea. I would go pick some up and make some just like it. Exactly like it. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, girly. Wait, let me not cover the notebook. So here's her Memory Dex card, and she has a little bag topper up here. There's a little, oh, look at this paper, guys. See the skull in the background? And then there's glitter, like smoke. That's so cute. And I think I could just take this off. It's just stapled on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that open. Look at the back. So pretty. Pretty cute. I like that. Get this open. Wow, Maria, this is cute. Look at how she used the little plastic toy as part of her memory decks. And there's a little paper clip right here, ribbon flag paper clip. And this beautiful rosette. She's got the potion bottle, and then here's the Dollar Tree spider. And it says beware. I think, yeah, this is a chipboard, beware. And she's got some more potion bottles here. That is so cute. Love it, Maria. Look at you, look at you. And then in the back it just says handmade by Pretty Crafty. Girly, did you not put your info? I will have to fill that in myself, but thank you so very much, guys. I'll put her links in the description box, and please go check her out. She is _pretty_crafty, all one word, on Instagram, and I believe she is also on YouTube. So I'll leave the links down below, and go and show her some crafty love. Maria, thank you so much for joining, hun. See you next time. Bye, guys.